What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. Y'all, we're back here again with another mukbang. It's probably not going to be the most interesting mukbang, but we got something going on today. But before we get anything started, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment in the comments below, you know, as the video goes. I was gonna say movie, as the video goes on. So I'm just trying to get this quick video out for y'all. I'm having a kale salad with bacon, and I threw some avocado in there, and I also have some side of hot Cheetos. But I'm literally on my lunch break, and I know I haven't posted for like about 2 weeks now, and maybe it's been a week and a half or so, something like that. But I just wanted to get something going. So this is my kale salad. I know it's very healthy, and I'll get something out to y'all very soon. Again, another, like, I think I want to do like Panera and the Burger King ghost pepper nuggets. But I just wanted to get this video out really quick and just get something going, because I know, like, again, I missed a couple weeks, and so I got my spin drift, of course. You know, your girl loves her spin drift. So let's get a quick thumbnail. All right, perfect. Let's take a sip of this amazing lemon spin drift, y'all. Oh, phenomenal. Yeah, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. I got my new job, so I'm starting work at this new company, which I know that they're going to be working me a lot, which I'm really happy about. It's super fast paced. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the people I work with. Like, everyone is hella chill. Unlike the last job that I had, because, you know, your girl was like suffering so much at that last place. So yeah, here's a nice big bite, some bacon, some kale. I think that's, I don't even know what kind of strings those are, but they're good. Has a like a poppy seed freaking dressing. I got this at Whole Foods also. So good. I think it's good. I think there's like cranberries in here too, with pumpkin seeds. Bomb.com. So much crunch, y'all. Anyways, so your girl got a general manager position at this company. I don't really want to drop any names because it is a bigger company, and I don't want to get in trouble and get fired like last time when I was doing Grubhub. My TikTok went viral and they disabled my account, so that sucked. I only brought one cam with me because I really didn't think I was gonna make this video, but I was like, fuck it, let's just make a quick update video. I also have some sweet tea, but I don't even think that's really gonna do much. Yeah, y'all, I'm really enjoying this new gig. Bomb. I also gotta have these spicy cheese curls from Whole Foods. So fucking good. Like, I don't even go back. I'm not even gonna go back to hot Cheetos, y'all. So I've been at work since 7, so it's about like 10:30 or so right now, maybe 11. I gotta get back to work soon. Get back to work. So bomb. hella crispy bacon. It's like avocado mashed up with my salad. Getting all the nutrients, y'all. Some of this sweet tea. I had to take off my nails for this job, but like the benefits that come with this gig, fucking so worth it. The pay, so worth it. Hella grateful. Living in gratitude, y'all. I was trying to do math in my head right now. How are y'all doing? How's life with y'all? Let me know in the comments below. So much crunch going on right now. I didn't bring a napkin. I'm gonna use my lunch pail. Fuck it. Yeah. So I had to take my nails off. That was kind of sad because I just got them done. They're like Halloween nails, so you can see like I'm so basic now. Whatevs. I'm happy to be with this company. Happy to grow with the company. And hopefully in a few years I'll be a fucking business owner, because like that's like the biggest part of why I chose this company, why I decided to go with this company. Just sick as fuck, man. Like I'm 29, so like I just need to get my shit in order, my life in order. And there's 401k, retirement, benefits, like all of that fun stuff, dental, vision, health. Sick, dude. Like I'm so fucking stoked. I'm gonna go into work hella bloated because I'm just like shoving my mouth with food. But y'all know how I eat, so. If you guys want to add me on TikTok, it's TheFoodBrat on TikTok. Instagram is TheFoodBrat_. I've been posting a lot of photos on there, trying to keep my Instagram relevant and updated, because like I really stopped all my food stuff like once I had the other job, because like they worked me from 11 to 6, so it's like morning time I do my morning routine. I read, have coffee, I walk my dog, all that stuff. With this job, it's kind of like the hours all over the place, but it's fine. And since it's getting darker earlier, when I got off of work at 6, like, you know, your girl does her videos in the car, so like there's no light, which kind of sucks. But now I'm with another company, I'm enjoying it. It's fucking cool. This is so good. I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten, but this salad slaps hella hard. It goes hella hard in the paint. I'm gonna shove these in my mouth hole. slow down. I'm gonna make this one a little bit shorter because I just want to put a video up, since again I know I've missed a couple weeks and I'm so sorry for that, y'all. But yeah, life happens, man. Like, life is life. Oh my god, maybe I don't need any more soda right now. Check the time. Got 6 minutes. So yeah, y'all, I love you, and I'm gonna keep this one hella short so I can finish the salad in like a timely manner. And we'll be back again with another video because Panera released a mac and cheese sandwich, and then I want to run over to Burger King and get their ghost pepper chicken nuggets, and I got a coupon for that too. So I think they're only $1.49, so I don't even think it's, I think it's a promo, marketing, like a advertisement. So yeah, with that y'all, I'm out. I'm sorry that I'm like, it's super fast, super slow. I mean, super slow, super fast, super short video. But I love y'all, and I just wanted to get something up, and I know I'm repeating myself hella much in this video. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I just wanted to get that going, and I love y'all again. Like I said, thank y'all for rocking and rolling with me, jumping and jiving with me. Like, this shit is like so near and dear to my heart that I just want to be more consistent, and I'm sorry that I haven't been. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. I love you, and with that, I'm out, y'all. Okay, bye.